let me slide over a little bit. So I want you to take a look at these two screenshots right here. This is why you got to be careful with who you decide to sign up for credit repair. Do you really think that the credit bureaus or their 𝐬𝐨𝐜 system give two you-know-whats about all the mumbo jumbo in this letter? Well, it's one letter. Anyway, this is a letter that Pinnacle Credit Repair, everybody's favorite credit repair scammer, sends to his clients and has them mail off. Now, they work sometimes if you use an FTC report, which that's what they do. They do illegal credit sweeps using the FTC report. And now this particular client, I don't think he was sent an FTC report. So they'll either send the FTC report to the consumer, which is still mind-blowing that they're willing to basically commit fraud with the consumer. Anyway, that makes my mind go blank when I think about that. Or they'll file a complaint with the CFPB and they'll include the FTC report in there so the consumer doesn't have to see it. So there's ways around the consumer seeing that they're committing fraud. And that's by creating a fake email address, a fake CFPB account, and basically committed fraud saying you're a victim of identity theft to get this stuff removed. But I can promise you, the credit bureaus in their 𝐬𝐨𝐜 system, they don't care about all this mumbo jumbo. They don't care. They're not going to remove the stuff. If you throw an FTC report in there, they will. So just be careful with who you sign up with. These people are just using stuff that hasn't worked in years, and that's why they use the FTC reports, because they suck at credit repair. We work with attorneys who have trained us how to draft letters the exact way they need to be drafted to sue the credit bureaus and the creditors for not fixing errors on your report. So if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.